and the Kenyan government is giving to people.
Salia hapa kaunti namba 47 ambapo kamati ya bunge kuhusu elimu imemhoji katibu wa Wizara ya Elimu Profesa Julius Bitok kuhusu shule ya wasichana ya Lwak katika eneo la Rarieda huko Siaya iliyojipata kwenye mvutano wa kidini kufuatia madai ya msichana aliyekatazwa kuvaa hijabu shuleni humo.
Article 27 on the Bill of Rights is very clear. No person, not even a child, should be discriminated because of their religion. Yes, because of their religion or otherwise.
Yes, okay. Honorable Chair, the law is very clear, as a senior council, honorable member, senior councillor said. It is very clear. There should be no discrimination whatsoever on matters of religion, on matters of only faith, and it is very clear. That's why I requested, Honorable Chair, that to give us more time, because the story we are getting from the Sub-County Director of Education in the preliminary report and what we are getting from the school seem to be requiring further investigation to understand really what happened with this on this particular issue.
So PS, is the girl in school or not? So is the girl in school or not?
Yeah. We are being
Senior Council, 1 minute. So is the girl in school or not?
As we speak now, the girl was removed from the school.
Why? That's the question. Why? So you are going to seek more time and the girl is staying at home.
Yeah,
that's not fair.
And the girl must go back to school.
Who is tying your hands to make a decision? Why don't you pronounce yourself?
The PS should tell the girl should go back to school as you wait for response.
You're correct.
She cannot be at home.
Yes.
That kid must go.
You need to defend the Constitution. The girl is supposed to be allowed to go to that school.
Yes,
well
Chair.
added, Honorable Chair.
Yeah.
I will ensure that the girl gets back to school as soon as possible.
And now, immediately. Yes.
As soon as today.
Yeah.
Hey, not tomorrow. Yes.
Tuelekee kaunti namba 11 ambapo